I made an app helping to rate guys, literally an asshole meter, with charts. Got so annoyed with my girlfriends going back to their ex, situationship, red flags that I'm done. There are actions, actions is data, and data doesn't lie. So let's build an app that tracks each dude and rate them. The problem is that I had zero mobile development experience. So I wondered like, is it really easy to build a mobile app in 2026 with AI? Because I didn't know Swift, how to deal with Xcode, or how to publish to AppStore. So I call this app Dudabase, or maybe bare minimum. Tell me in the comments which you like more. And the concept is very simple. You track the guys you're literally talking to and rate them on like a parameters that actually matter. Like hygiene, I mean, guys, like, come on. Emotional stability, humor, because you cannot go through life being too serious, and etc. And each parameter is rated from 0 to 10, and then the app calculates the overall percentage. If it's under 10%, we are good. He can stay 10 to 25%. Well, it's a question mark territory. We are watching you. 25 to 40, bye-bye. Like, there is no point in talking anymore. And if it's more than 40%, it's like deleted from your life. We are not marrying him. We're not having his babies. Like, we're nobody. And you can track multiple guys, post updates after each date, add your own custom parameters, etc. Originally, to build an app, you would need to install Xcode, emulators, builds, etc. But I've used Replit that handle all of those behind the scenes with the full mobile stack. I already had the Replit account from my dated user platform, so I just logged in and started a new mobile app project. So you're just like picking mobile app, and here's my prompt in plain language. You can also see the action that is gonna take. For example, if you click over here, and you're gonna see that it's generating the design guidelines, installing dependencies, planning an MVP development sequence, and yeah, after that it even starts to generate images. Okay, after thinking for a couple of minutes, I see that it's generated a preview over here, this little window. And if we click on the screen, we can see that it was actually generated. The UI is here. Let's start to play with this one. Okay, let's try to add someone. Emotional stability. Okay, let it be a good guy. Ghosting, definitely not. Add to database. Oh my god, and he has a rating, 6%, very low risk, and we can see that he is in the green zone. Nice. Oh my god, it's working. Add a note. What happened? Okay, so we can definitely keep a track. Okay, let's go back to the agent mode, and it's still kind of generating. It's not yet finished, but it's like already working. And the next step is going to be the previewing it. I really love how under the hood it's actually making the test works, and it's cleaning up after itself. Like, it's removing old files, it's verifying functionality, giving a feedback, checking the logs, restarting the backend, front end. It even took a screenshot. Amazing. Perfect. It says now that it's finished, and it worked around 18 minutes to build this all at once, and I didn't take any kind of edits in between, so it's just like one big prompt, and it worked from the get-go. And the next step is going to be actually exporting that and previewing in the Expo Go. Let's try to download this app. This app is free to use. It's just like for previewing your application as it's kind of working on your phone. Okay, so we need to sign in. Let's go back to our app and click open in Expo Go again. And it's gonna open the project. And yeah, it's building JavaScript bundle behind the scenes. So it's kind of like assembling the app as it is. You can reload it. It shows the performance monitor, debugger, and etc. Perfect. And here again we can do absolutely the same that we did before in the preview of the Replit app. I don't know, let's call this one Aaron, and he's gonna be quite a mediocre guy. 50% is a high risk, so yeah, we're just like forgetting about this one. Let's try to, okay, I pressed with 3 fingers. Go home. So the next stage is to publish to the App Store. Here is what you need. You need an Apple developer account. It costs around $99 per year. That's the only real cost behind this. You also need your app assets like icons, screenshots, and description. And you also would need to fill out the App Store metadata. So now I need to connect my Apple developer account. Yeah, it's pricey. So I'm gonna go to the App Store, download the Apple developer app. Okay, I'm downloading the Apple developer, opening, accepting. Let's go to the account. I need to sign in. I need to enroll into Apple developer program. Okay, and as you can see, it's gonna cost even a bit less, 98.99. After you enroll into the Apple developer program, you will see the note you will receive an email soon, and Apple manually verifies new developer accounts to prevent fraud. And it usually takes from 24 to 48 hours for them to process your payment and activate your account. And while we're waiting, let's add even more features to our app. And this time it's going to be add a comparison view to see the guys side by side. Let's hit run. It's probably gonna take a couple of minutes more. Cool, so we're finished with adding an extra feature, like adding a comparison view of the guys. Let's publish it now and see how the app looks at the moment. I'm gonna export to the Xcode from the get-go and see how it works like in real life. So let me add another guy and rate him really badly. Okay, adding to database, let's call him bye-bye. And as you can see, now we have this button compare features. We can select, oh nice, we can even select the guys whom we want to compare. And yeah, we can see the rating side by side. So definitely the bye-bye guy has like 88% of the risk, and we can see their parameters side by side. Amazing. I think it definitely worked. And as you notice, like I was not writing that feature explicitly. It's just like one sentence, like in very plain English, but it worked. So each time it updates the app, I test it on my phone and we keep improving. So what's great in Replit is this. It's a full stack setup, production ready builds without me touching Xcode. It also gave me both simulated and real device testing instantly. It generates codes, tests, iterates, and improves me without like babysitting each step. Plus the autonomous agent can run up to 200 minutes. So it took 48 hours for Apple to approve my developer account, and you can see in the app that you're enrolled. And the rest was easy. I just opened the Replit app, tapped Publish at the bottom, and selected Publish to AppStore. Replit handled the technical setups through Expo. All I had to do was sign in with my Apple ID and hit launch. It can take up to 45 minutes to publish to the App Store, but I got the email very shortly where I clicked View in TestFlight, which is a native Apple app for testing beta versions of apps. There I clicked Install my Dudabase, and when I clicked Open, it worked. So it's not just a project anymore, it's a real app with its own icon on my home screen. So dears, this app, it's obviously a joke and me being extra, but it's about being a person who doesn't need to be tracked with an meter in the first place. That's what women want. So links to Replit and my socials are in the description. You're self-reflecting, and now if you will excuse me, I need to send this to all my girlfriends.